It's not like me to pick myself a flower, I know, but there's not many of these flowers left now. This is the flower of rosebay willow herb, of which there's a good stand of it here. Rosebay willow herb's a fantastic plant. After the war, and indeed during the war, it was commonly known as fireweed because of its ability to grow in the remains of bombed out buildings following the Blitz. Quite remarkable really, and it's still a very common plant. You get stands of this now on brownfield sites and waste ground, but also along forest rides and some roadside verges. And where it grows is an easy to identify leaf mine. This one, the mine of Mompha which is a lovely name really, and it's a lovely little moth. Now it's a shame that this particular mine is located about 50 yards from the main road that links Mansfield to Edwinstoke and Ollerton and subsequently the A614, so we've got quite a bit of traffic noise as the evening commute commences. But on this rosebay willow herb here is probably the best example of a leaf mine as you could ever wish to get. And this is the leaf mine, the conspicuous leaf mine of Mompha. Very easy to identify. It's just about the only mine that is found in the leaves of rosebay willow herb. There are other Momphas which make gall-like mines in the stems, but this is a very common mine. It's another easy mine to find pretty much wherever you go, and there's a stand of rosebay willow herb. This mine can be found, and it's easy to identify because this is a gallery mine that eventually forms a blotch, and you can see where the gallery starts against the midrib there on the left of the leaf, and the lava makes a thin gallery, goes towards the leaf edge, follows that leaf edge, and then as the lava grows it suddenly turns the leaf mine into a blotch. Very conspicuous, and I think this one is still occupied. Mompha is an absolutely beautiful little micromoth, very tiny obviously, as are all of the leaf mining species, but as an adult it's considerably under-recorded, probably rarely under-recorded, and records sent to your counter recorder are probably few and far between of the adult, but there's really no excuse for the leaf mine not to be recorded. There's no confusion species with it, and Mompha mines are always like this. There's always that thin gallery mine, and then that gallery mine leads and becomes a blotch mine. Very easy to identify. So that's the leaf mine of Mompha, found commonly on rosebay willow herb.